Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here. We've got a Truckerized tune-up report and repair for Ed in Massachusetts on this RCI X9. Ed, you sent it in, said smoke came out of it. I'm not sure where you purchased the radio, but it looked to be pretty much new. There was no modifications whatsoever done inside. It did take out the the last final, the RT1. We replaced it and its partner beside it. So both of them have been replaced. Full truckerized package, clarifier mod, wideband mod. Got you an SRA 198 mic here, widebanded. Also the Toshiba voltage regulator, cap upgrades, etc., etc. Amp on off switch back here on the back. High cut filter, 10 kilohertz switch. It's all labeled back there for you. This thing is loaded out and ready to go. So let's start with RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. Yep, if you watch me a lot, you guessed it, 3 watts all the way down. That we have full adjustability to run an amp. 30 all the way up, about 31, 32. I'm gonna show you average power swing with this noise canceling mic. Hello, 83 bird, 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, 185 PEP. All right, Ed, once again, you got wise and you got truckerized, and I appreciate it. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized. Get wise and get Truckerized today.